Want to watch videos and listen to music with friends in perfect sync? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download the official Rave app on both iPhone and Android in just a few minutes. If this helps, like the video and subscribe for more app tutorials. Let's get started. Rave is a social watch party app that lets you enjoy YouTube, Netflix, and other platforms with friends in real time. You can chat, react, and watch together no matter where you are. Hashed how to download Rave on iPhone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search tab at the bottom and type Rave. Look for the official app, Rave Watch Party, with a purple-pink icon and developer Rave Media Inc. Make sure it's the correct one. Tap Get, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. Wait for the download to finish, then tap Open. How to download Rave on Android. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap the search bar and type Rave. Find Rave Watch Party with the same purple-pink logo and check that the developer is Rave Media Inc. Tap Install and wait for it to download. Once done, tap Open. After opening the app, create an account using Google, Facebook, Twitter, or email. Allow permissions for camera, microphone, and notifications so the app works properly. Then you're ready to start or join a watch party. Pro tip: make sure you already have apps like YouTube or Netflix installed and logged in before using Rave. Also, use a strong Wi-Fi connection for smooth syncing and better performance. Quick recap. Open App Store or Play Store, search Rave Watch Party, install, open, sign up, start watching with friends. That's it! Rave is ready to use in just a few minutes. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Now tell me, what are you planning to watch first on Rave?